I'm added up, I just ate a plate for breakfast. Put it in a cup, then I mix it up with Texas. Just feeling heavy like a midget on my neck.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys haven't seen me in a minute, but happy New Year's everyone. This is the look that I came up for my first video of the year. The weather actually inspired this because it is so damn cold here in New York. So I was like, let me do a blue look. So this is what I came up with. Hope you like it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my eyelids, and I already did my eyebrows off camera, so yeah. And I'm going to actually bring the concealer a little bit on the side of my eyes, just a little bit, so that the eyeshadow has somewhere to stick also. Then I'm going to use these two greens, well actually the lighter green, just to put onto my eyes because I didn't want to just put the blue on. So I kind of wanted a transition color, and right here is a little bit blurry. It's gonna get fixed. And then I'm going to use the lighter green, the lighter blue at the top, and start packing that onto my eyelids, just a little bit higher though than usual because this is gonna be a double cut crease, and I'm just gonna blend it. Next, I'm going to take the brown and start putting that right on top of my eyelid so I can blend it out later, just to give it a little bit depth because I didn't want to just cut the crease and then there's no depth in it. I just think that looks so weird. And basically I'm just placing brown there, and then I'm just going to blend it out with the same brush. Then I'm going to take the black that you see on the top, and I'm going to place that in the same place where I put the brown, also just creating depth because I just don't like seeing a cut crease without depth. I think it just looks so weird. And now I'm just going to repeat the same thing. So after doing that, I'm going to just define that depth cut crease just a little bit more because I'm extra. And honestly, you can wear this look anywhere. You can go to the grocery shop, the pharmacy, anywhere you would like. And now I'm just gonna blend that out some more. And then I'm going to take that bottom blue that you see right there in the clip, and I'm going to start placing my second cut crease. So here I'm just placing the blue, and then later I'm going to spray my brush with just a little bit of setting spray, and then just place the color onto my eyelid, like pack it on. So here I literally just did it. I just sprayed my brush, get the color, and just pack it on, and trust me, the color just got so much more intense. This eye look was so pretty in person. Then I'm going to take this shimmery white glitter-like eyeshadow, and I'm going to spray my brush once again with a little bit of setting spray and place that in the middle because I did not like how negative right there looked. And then as usual, when you do your eye look first, you always have to clean it up. So I just did that with wipes, and then I used these two little gems that I had and just put them on my brow bone, and I thought they were so cute. And here I'm just putting on my concealer, you know, fixing up everything. Then I'm going to take these two shades, purple and pink, and just put that on my waterline because I didn't want it to be blue too. And then I highlighted. Anyways, if you like these kind of videos, subscribe, like, and comment so you won't miss me again when I upload again. So yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys liked it. I enjoyed creating this. So yeah, bye.